Well, good morning to you and welcome back now as we get into it. Your local temperatures I've been showing you now are still holding on to the teens, but it's going to feel a lot cooler on your skin because of a wind chill with winds gusting up to at least 27 to 30 miles per hour. We're holding on to that. These winds out of the south, it feels like 8 degrees in Lansing, feels like 4 degrees in La Crosse as well as in Eau Claire. That will continue as we go right into the 10 o'clock hour, starting to change out. As we go into the 11 o'clock hour, you'll see those winds begin to start to break down. Also, these winds you can see getting up to 30 miles per hour as we roll right into the 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock hour. You're starting to see them break down to at least 27 to 29 miles per hour. Then eventually they'll go down to at least 25 miles per hour to 27 miles per hour to start your afternoon. La Crosse holding on to at least some sunshine right now. 2 degrees it feels like on your skin right now with a temperature of 16 degrees. You're holding on to Eau Claire as well. Similar conditions as I just mentioned. You're going to also hold on to a little bit of breeze out there right now. The flag's starting to move a little bit out there and back into Winona. You're looking at least 9 degrees it feels on your skin. Still holding on to a few clouds still through our area, but we have again some clearing skies still with the southerly wind still working on us, but those clouds are slowly but surely crossing the river and beginning to fill in as we get into La Crosse. Snowfall will start to work its way a little bit lower now, working down through Minnesota, so that's a wintry mix right there headed towards La Crosse. As we go into it, Eau Claire will be a touch of that as well, holding on to Ladysmith as well, and then we'll see that continue to drop down eventually. Ladysmith by 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, you're seeing that snowfall move in, drops down to Red Wing all the way into Eau Claire. That's the 1 o'clock hour. By then, we're already in the noon time, so or afternoon time. We'll get into at least Winona all the way down to Holman, getting into Black River Falls and La Crosse through that time as well. Then right back down to the south it goes from Viroqua all the way down to Prairie du Chien and Boscobel into Richland Center. We're also seeing this back away from the region now gradually. As we go right through the 3 o'clock hour, we should be done holding on to that snowfall out of the region, but drier conditions up to the north and a few clouds still lingering as we go right into the 4 o'clock hour, into the 5 o'clock hour, and into your evening commute. Temperatures mostly in the 20s. Then we'll see as we go into, we have mild conditions today, right? Then we'll start to see colder air start to move into the forecast as well. Winds out of the northwest. As that happens, we'll see temperatures drop -1 to at least 11 degrees as you get into the forecast of 15 degrees. That's just at 7:50 in the a.m. or 7:30 in the morning. So those are your lows right there. Giving way to this, holding on to a light breeze, continuing on. We were supposed to have some Wednesday night snowfall, but that's backing off. We're still seeing some come back again up to the north. That's going to work in from Minneapolis all the way into Eau Claire, then start to ramp up a little bit more so as it goes all the way to Black River Falls down to Sparta, getting into Viroqua as well. We'll see more of that snowfall up by Ladysmith as well, then tracking out, still lifting up and still picking up and expanding a little bit more so out of the region. As that does, we also go into 3 o'clock on Thursday where temperatures are in the 40s and the upper 30s in the forecast, so we are much warmer there. We'll take it into account what we're expecting out of this, maybe a couple of inches up to the north, maybe 1 or 2 for Eau Claire. You'll get over to the east a little bit more so, 1 to 2 inches out there, and then all the way out to Green Bay possibly. Everybody else down to the south along I-90, you're looking at maybe a ½ an inch or less in the forecast, if that at all. We'll hold on to the zones, picking up at least partly cloudy to mostly cloudy to at least cloudier skies in the forecast with snowfall there for you as well. You'll get into Whitehall holding on to 36 degrees. Plenty of snow for you there with cloudier skies as well as La Crosse, similar conditions there. We'll go right back into areas right by Eau Claire. You're holding on to mostly cloudy skies, and then eventually we're holding on to snowfall for you as well. Highs for Wednesday, the teens all the way to the 20s, so we're going to hold on to that for tomorrow on the colder side. And as we go into the next few days, this is what I'm going to show you here. We go from sunny to cold, holding on to the possibility of this. We go into Thursday where you're looking at a 20% chance of snowfall. It's a low chance of that happening. 37 degrees. Temperatures bump up and they continue to ramp up going into Friday. Once we get into upper 40s to near 50 degrees, then we drop back down with snowfall on the way from Friday night into Saturday. That brings in more snow at its 50% chance. Then we go into Sunday. We take a break with a low chance of snowfall, 25 degrees. We start to get colder back into next week as well. Back to you.